Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you how to get and set the text of an element. So the text of an element is the piece of text that goes between the two element tags, so the opening and closing. For this div, it is the I am awesome. So first of all, let's just select it. So I've already got this button click set up right here. So you just select it. So dollar div, for example, dot text, and if you don't pass in anything, what it does is it just returns the value. So I'm going to do console.log, and you could actually just assign this to a variable, use it later on, and use it in a console log. But I'm just going to go straight to the console log. If I click it, get I am awesome. If, however, I want to modify it, it is really simple. It is almost the same. The only difference is you actually specify a value in here. So if I say awesome stuff, I go to elements, reload. As you can see, it says I am awesome. I click it. It's now changed to awesome stuff. So this is how you get a text value. This is how you change a text value. This is just a function parameter, so you could pass in another variable that you've maybe retrieved or computed into this text function. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.